Hello everyone, it's Joanna. Thanks for clicking on the link. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, thank you. We are going to talk about the Look Fantastic beauty box. This is the April beauty box, and I also bought two things, so I'm going to talk to you about them as well. So the Look Fantastic beauty box is a subscription box, and I signed up for 3 months. I think you can get 3 months, 6 months and 12 months. So I'm going to be paying about £13.50 for each month, and it comes in with 5-6 products, mostly skincare, and that's why I wanted to try this. I used to get the glossy box, but I wasn't using all the products, so I decided to move on to this one and try this one out. So I cancelled my glossy box subscription, and now I'm going to try out this beauty box. And so far, I must say, I like it. And I liked the Look Fantastic website, which made me buy things that I didn't really need. But, you know, lockdown, what can you do? You feel the need to buy. Well, I do. Anyway, so this is the box, and let me show you what's inside the box. Okay, so as I said, this is a beauty box. I'm not going to act as if I haven't seen what's inside. I have, and I'm going to give you information about what's inside. You have the tissue paper, and then you just open it. So let's talk about the products that are in this beauty box. I have a discount code, which I will link in the description box, but if you want to try this out, if you're interested, it's Joanna, capitals, Joanna, dash RA6X, all capitals, and yeah, that's the referral code, so you get a discount, and I don't know what I get, but there is something, but I don't know yet, because no one's used my code. Okay, so let's look at the products. I've written notes down here, and I've taken off my glasses because I can't read with my glasses, which is kind of interesting. So, Bella Pierre, this. So, the Bella Pierre, this is what I have on my eyes, actually. I have this eyeshadow. I used this one here, this one, that one, this one here, and it's got a matte shade and 3 shimmers, and what it says is, it's called the Beach Peach Blossom. It's $28.99, 3 shimmers and 1 matte. It says blend the matte and then add 1 and more or more of the shimmers. I just used the shimmer, which I showed you, which is on my eyes. I just used a little bit and just spread it all over. So yeah. The only thing I can say about this palette is there wasn't any fallout. So, I don't know. Maybe that's a good thing. Let's move on to another thing, which is this. The Star Skin. I was really excited about this. This is 100% Star Skin Camellia Nourishing Brightening 2-Step Oil Mask. This costs £9. So what you're supposed to do is you take the oil, you put it all over your face, and then you put the mask on top. You leave it on for 15 minutes, and then you take it off, and you just pat the residue. I'm going to use this, and I'm going to put it in a vlog, so you can see it if you're interested. So subscribe to my channel. And then what else? We have the Coffee Scrub, which is, it's called a Mind Tan, I guess, body scrub. This retails for $9.99. It's an exfoliating scrub. It's made from fresh coffee. So, looking forward to trying that. And then I got the Vintage Cosmetics Beauty Slanted Tweezers. I like this brand. I like the packaging and what the products look like. They're really cute. So, I'll show you. This is the tweezer. And it has slanted there. So, looking forward to using that. My eyebrows need doing, so that's going to be something that needs to be done. Then we got the Ameliorate Smooth Skin Science, and this is a transforming body lotion. It costs £4. This. And it has it's a really rich moisturizing lotion, which uses lactic acid to get rid of dead skin. So a body lotion, which I'm going to try and see if I like it. And then we got the Enzo Laszlo Hydrafel Skin Supplement. This is a calming toner, and it's perfect for dry skin. And let me show you what it looks like in the packaging. It's really small. Oh, but it looks cute. There it is. Now this toner, according to my notes from the booklet in the beauty box, costs $5.58. It's a calming toner, and it hydrates and repairs your complexion, so that's going to be good. And then, is there anything else in here? No, you get the beautiful box, which you can use for whatever you want, and then you get the scruffy paper or whatever, scrap paper or whatever that's called. What else did I get from Look Fantastic? I got a suntan lotion, because I've heard a lot about this one. So I got the Anthelios La Roche-Posay, what's it called? It's called Innovation Invisible Ultra Resistant Face Lotion, I'm guessing. It doesn't have, so it is. It's very water and sweat resistant. It's got anti-eye stinging, which is good. It's good for sensitive skin, and it's not perfumed. I'm not going to open it because I don't want to open it and then not use it, because we're in lockdown, so I'm not using my sunscreen that much. I will do when I go out and take my walk. So I got that. And I've heard lots of people talking about this. My sister uses it and she really likes it. She lives in Greece, so she really enjoys using this. So I thought I'll get it. This costs $17.50. And this is my really luxurious foundation. So the thing I hate about this foundation is that you have to put it, it doesn't have a pump. So I bought it a pump. Doublewear has its own little pump. And this was £5. I think one of my friends has used her Max Factor pump, but I don't use the Max Factor foundation. Not Max Factor, Max. So, sorry for the sound. So I bought it a little pump. Oh, it's got that. Let's see how it fits. Let's see. So I'm going to take this off and put this on. And there you have it. My new Estee Lauder Doublewear with the cap and the protection, which is good. I better not lose this. So you can, it snaps on and you can travel with it. So I got that from Look Fantastic as well. And that's it, guys. That's everything I got. Oh, you can see my vest. Sorry about that. So it would be great if you subscribe to my channel. Let me know if you've tried this box, what you think. Oh, hang on. Let me show you the little magazine it comes with. Hang on, where is it? It's here. So it comes with a booklet with lots of information. And I really like the fact that apart from the description for the products, then you have like interviews. So it has an interview from Maria Hadjistefanis, which is, I think she's the Nip Fab and the Rodile creator or something. And I haven't read it. And then it has lots and lots of information about perfumes and stuff and beautiful pictures and a sneak peek for the May box. So if you want to get it and use my referral code if you want. You don't have to. So the May sneak peek is this Avant Shea Butter. What is this? So this is Ultimate Hyaluronic Acid Resurfacing Duo Moisturizer worth £100. It's 50 ml. I looked it up. I couldn't find this exactly, but I did find something else from the brand Avant, and it was like 78 quid. So I'm like, cool. So thanks for watching again. I'll see you in my next video. Stay safe. Wash your hands. Use a cream after. And yeah, give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and yeah, I'll see you. Bye.